Fifth standard students, your mathematics class exercise 4.2, first main we have to do. Your main question is arrange the like fractions in ascending order. A question, these are the series of fractions given. You have to arrange these fractions in ascending order. Ascending means what? From small fraction to big fraction you have to arrange. So solution, since denominators are same, see in these fractions the denominator is 38. All fractions have same denominators. So these are like fractions. These are called like fractions because their denominators are same. So how to arrange these fractions in ascending order? For that solution, since denominators are same, so you have to arrange these numerators in ascending order. How to solve this? Since the denominators are same, you have to arrange the numerators in ascending order. So which is ascending order? 7, 15, 16, 21, 24, 32. See, these numerators are in ascending order from small to big, isn't it? 7, 15, 16, 21, 24, 32. From small to big. So this is ascending order. So first arrange the numerators in ascending order. Afterwards arrange the fractions. 7 means, which fraction is that? 7 by 38. Next, this symbol you have to use, smaller. This symbol is smaller. Next, 15 means, where is 15 by 38? 16 is there, 16 by 38. 21 by 38, 24 by 38, 32 by 38. In between these fractions you must put this symbol. This symbol is smaller. So as you go on, these fractions are arranged in ascending order. Small to big fraction. Similarly, B question also, since denominators are same, arrange the numerators in ascending order. 8, 19, 24, 37, 48, 51. These numerators are in ascending order. Next step is write their fractions. 8 means, where it 8 by 53. Denominators are same. 19 means 19 by 53, 24 by 53, 37 by 53, 48 by 53, 51 by 53. So these fractions are in ascending order. Understood? Next we'll come across second main question, arrange the like fractions in descending order. Now ascending opposite is descending. Ascending means what? From small fraction to big fraction. Descending means the ulta, from big to small, like this. Descending means from big fraction to small fraction you have to arrange. So A question, these are the fractions given. Since the denominators are same, here also you can see denominators are 46, same. Since the denominators are same, arrange the numerators in descending order. Arrange the numerators in a descending order. So which is the biggest number here? 42. So descending means from big to small fraction. So arrange the numerators from big to small. 42, 37, 33, 29, 11 and 5. See, these numerators are from big to small. As you go on, big to small, you can see last 5. So these fraction numerators are arranged in descending order. Afterwards, its fraction you have to write. 42 means 42 by 46. You can see here 42 by 46. 37 means 37 by 46. So 33 means 33 by 40. 29 by 46. 11 by 46. 5 by 46. Like this. Similarly, B question also. These are the fractions given. Solution, since denominators are same, arrange the numerators in descending order. So where highest is 68. 68, 63, 52, 44, 34, 29. These numerators are arranged in a descending order. Afterwards, next step is its fraction. 68 means 68 by 71 because 71 is the denominators. All have same denominator. So only thing is 68 by 71, 63 by 71, 52 by 71, 44 by 71, 34 by 71, 29 by 71. It means these fractions are in descending order from big fraction to small fraction. This is how you have to understand and arrange the fractions in ascending and descending order. Understand the solution properly, how to arrange in ascending and descending when the fractions are like fractions. Next we'll continue. Now third main question is arrange the unlike fractions in ascending order. See, in first main, second main we have done about like fractions. Now these are unlike fractions. It means their denominators are different. Such fractions are called unlike fractions. A question. These are the series of fractions. Solution. Since numerators are same, in these fractions you can see numerators are same. Everywhere the numerator is 9. Only the denominators are different. So when the numerators are same, what we have to do? Let us arrange the numbers. From 7 is greater than 6, is greater than 5, 4, 3, 2. So like this. Afterwards, 7 means this, 9 by 7. 9 by 7 is the smallest fraction. Next is 9 by 6, 9 by 5, 9 by 4, 9 by 3, 9 by 2. In between you must put greater sign. So these are the from small fraction to big fraction. Next, same denominators are different. It is an unlike fraction. Numerators are same. Arrange the denominators 24, 21, 18 like this. You put this greater sign. Afterwards 26 by 24. 24 means where, see this 26 by 24. Like this as it is going on. Understood? So these fractions are arranged in a ascending order. These are unlike fractions. They are arranged in ascending order. Actually, this is the smallest fraction and this is the biggest fraction out of these. So from small fraction to big fraction it is arranged. Fourth main question. Now arrange the unlike fractions in a descending order. Descending order means from big fraction to small fractions. Here it is also an unlike fraction because the denominators are different. When denominators are different, numerators are equal. You see, numerators are equal, same. You have to put like this. 2 is less than 5, less than 6, less than 8, less than 9, less than 11. Afterwards 13 means 13 by 2 is greater than 13 by 5, greater than 13 by 6. Descending order from big fraction to small fraction. This is a small fraction, whereas this fraction is the 13 by 2 is the biggest fraction. Similarly, B question also same. Since numerators are same, arrange the numbers in like this. Afterwards 29 means 61 by 29. 37 means 61 by 37. Like this, go on putting the fractions. In between those put greater sign. So this is the descending order. This is the biggest fraction, whereas this is the smallest fraction. All of you understand the solution and write neatly in your maths CW. Okay. Exercise 4.3 will continue in the next class.